Some leg lifts, either in prone or quadruped. You can also do them standing. The goal here is to strengthen the glutes and the hamstrings. Now, you'd normally do this with your head face down on your hands. I'm not gonna do that because it's gonna be very loud on the microphone. So I'm gonna keep my head up here. You're gonna first tuck your pelvis under, squeezing your glutes, making sure they're nice and tight. Then you're going to lift, you're gonna reach that foot long. So I've got my quad nice and active here. I'm really pointing my toe, and then I'm gonna squeeze that glute even more and lift it just a little bit off the floor, making sure that it's not the lower back that's getting involved. We wanna isolate all this movement to the hip. Now there's a couple other things you can do here. So as I lift it, you can just go straight up and down, that's great. You can also go out to the side and in. You got some little like arches that you're making here. You can also lift and hold side to side, or you can lift and hold and make little circles in each direction. So go ahead and play around with those positions. If you do a quadruped, you're pressing through with the arms, making sure that pelvis is nice and neutral, not arched, not rounded, right in the middle. You're gonna maintain that position as you lift that leg upward. And if you're doing those little crosses, over side to side, you're gonna feel that a little bit on the outside of the hip, a little bit in the groin, lots in the glute, lots in the hamstring. Even go side to side here. Woo, my cheeks. And even in little circles. It's a good one.